who is stopping you? Like who or what is stopping you from changing? I want you to think of those thoughts which made you click on this video or search something which led you to this video. Strong ones. Think of it. For once, genuinely ask yourself, what is stopping you from doing something which you want to do? From doing something which you like to do? Something which makes you happy? I mean, I don't think it is necessary to get a makeover in your life. Like, I'm fed up, I'm tired of everything, I'm fine living like this, going with the flow. So अगर तेरे दिमाग में ऐसी सोच आ रही है तो बहन, excellent, skip this video. At least not now, when you can't think of the things which are tearing you apart, making you miserable, killing your personality. Skip it. I don't care. You won't be able to listen. It'll be just another video. Whatever I say, whatever I tell won't make any difference. Hey everyone, I am Sharmili. Welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna start by saying this line, which is written in my title and maybe which is one of the reasons you clicked on this video. So as Jahangir Khan said, don't let the past blackmail your present to ruin a wonderful future. Okay, now I need you to make up your mind. No thinking that, I want some more time to regain my old self back, but I'm not sure I want to change also. No. Bitch, you lived there since forever. It's time to start better. You need to be completely ready to improve yourself. I don't care if you simply want to watch this or think it as a time pass, because you're wasting your time, honey. But if you're a person who is really tired of everything, who is really, really fed up, feeling that, why am I like this? What is going on in my life? Then, honey, welcome to my channel. Don't worry, we'll solve. But I want you to let your mind, your heart, your soul, your everything to accept that, yes, it's time to change. No more staying low. No more staying here in this state, telling yourself that you need little more time. Because if you think that way, you're actually getting habituated to that cocoon feeling. So no sweetheart, not acceptable. You're not giving yourself, your old self, your younger self justice. So this was the intro for my new series of Starting Better. That is, if you have seen this movie called Dear Zindagi, so there is a character called Jahangir Khan. So he's a therapist. He'll be giving therapy to a girl named Kyra. So watch the movie. So there is this scene where he tells this line that goes like, don't let the past blackmail your present to ruin a wonderful future. So yep, let's all stay in our beautiful, beautiful present. And I'll be uploading my videos, that is ingredients to make up the potion, called Starting Better. Like, the next video will be the first most thing that you need to do, that is forgiving yourself. Yeah, that will be the next video, guys. So I've always wanted to create my own YouTube channel, like I'm so happy. It's so nice. So I can speak, मुझे आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, and I can speak whatever, how much ever I can, because this is my freaking own channel. तो BBGs, अगर लोग तुझे villain, डायन या फिर any dash समझते हैं, तो let's all become that sassy witches and villains. Because bitch, if you can't make someone love you, then at least make them fear you, so that you can build your own life without caring about their akal shakal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that ting for new salah hai. तो because I'm learning Hindi, guys, तो मेरे friends मुझे हिंदी सिखा रहे हैं, तो I have my own ways to get the job done. So bye.